Mostar, one of the most important cities of Bosnia and Herzegovina, takes its name from the historic Mostar Bridge located in the city. In the 14th century, when this region was under the rule of the Ottoman Empire, Emperor Sultan Süleyman ordered the construction of a bridge to connect both sides of the city. The construction of the Mostar Bridge was completed in 1566, and it stood 24 meters high, 30 meters long, and 4 meters wide. For centuries, the Mostar Bridge was a symbol connecting the Muslim and Christian communities living in the city. It stood for 427 years until the Bosnian-Croatian War in 1993.
Kao petko, još malo! Gotovo, još malo i pada! Još jedan šut i pada! Jao, još malo! Koji kurači? Tako je!
The reconstruction work on the bridge began in 1997. Many European countries, including the Republic of Turkey, as well as the World Bank and UNESCO, supported the project. The bridge was reconstructed in accordance with its original design and was inaugurated with a grand ceremony on July 23, 2004. The Mostar Bridge is a major attraction for tourists from all around the world today. The bridge is not only an architectural marvel, but also known as a symbol of challenge and bravery. For centuries, young men have been courageously jumping from the bridge, capturing the attention of both locals and tourists alike. These jumps, which have become a tradition, are one of the thrilling moments that keep the spirit of Mostar alive. The Mostar Bridge is captivating not only for its architecture and history, but also for the vibrant atmosphere surrounding it. On both sides of the bridge, traditional shops line the narrow streets, offering visitors local handicrafts, jewelry, and souvenirs. These shops are filled with details that preserve Mostar's cultural heritage. Visitors to the bridge can enjoy local flavors at the restaurants located right next to it. These riverside establishments provide a perfect opportunity to experience the rich tastes of Balkan cuisine. While admiring the bridge, you can savor a delightful lunch featuring local dishes like Mostar's famous burek and cevapi. The Mostar Bridge is a symbol of different communities living together. Muslims and Christians have lived together peacefully for centuries. This situation shows us that diversity is beautiful and demonstrates the power of love and respect, which form the foundation of peace.